Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing my review and demo of the new Charlotte Tilbury Supermodel brow products. I have been using these three items for 4 days, so I have a lot of things to say about these products, and I'm going to tell you guys which one is my favorite one from all of the two products. So as always, if you like to watch makeup reviews for some impressions of makeup products, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. If you're a makeup enthusiast, if you're a makeup lover, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click the bell to be notified every time I upload my videos. Now let's go and test out these products. I decided to get all three products, but you can actually get the set for $68. I bought these individually for more expensive, a little more expensive, way expensive. So definitely get the set. So this is like a three-step system. So I have been trying out, been testing out which one's better, which one's the worst one. So the eyebrow pencil is a very thin, oh, let me show you guys. Eyebrow pencil, let me show you. So this is the thin one. This is thinner, I think, than the older one. I do not have her other older eyebrow products, so I cannot really compare all of them with the new ones, but these are the new ones that I have. So it's slanted, very thin eyebrow pencil. This one retails for $25. And as you can see, guys, so I have the shade in dark brown. So I'm gonna type down how many shades they have for this. So this is like $25, and this is actually a refillable eyebrow product. You can buy the refill for like $15. But for me, guys, I use almost like eyebrow products or eyebrow pencils all the time. I run out very quickly. Maybe they only gonna last me like 2, maybe 3 weeks. So for me, $25 is, I mean, it's a lot of money. I mean, I can buy something at a drugstore for like $6 or $8. So this is actually really nice thin brows, because I love really thin brows. I have uneven brows. I really need like precise application for my brows. So this one's okay in my opinion, not something like wow. So it also has this spoolie. So I use this one first and then the other one. Alright, so this one is not too waxy, so I'm gonna do a demo of this one right away, guys. I don't want this video to be way too long. Right now the products are only available on Charlotte Tilbury's website. I'm not sure where they're gonna be available on Sephora. So this one I have been using the ABH brow gel and a eyebrow pen from NYX. So I've been really loving eyebrow products in a long time. So this is the brow pencil again, and I really like the gold packaging. So one thing I like about this, it doesn't break easily, because I am heavy-handed, so I like that it doesn't break easily. But like I said, guys, it's expensive if you use this one all the time. So I like that it also doesn't doesn't feel too waxy, doesn't fade on my brows. So if you have oily skin, you might like this one. So I'm just gonna apply lightly and mostly on my brow tail area, because my brows are really thin. So I'm just gonna do like a brush stroke on this side. So I have been using my ABH brow freeze. I like that one, actually like that one, but I'm always looking for like really great eyebrow products. And then I'm not gonna do this one very neatly, because I'm gonna apply another eyebrow product. This is the Legendary Brows, retails for $23. It has 4 shades. So this is their new formula of tinted brow gel. This has got to be my least favorite from all of her new brow products. I do not in general just do not like brow gels, because they never really work on my brows. But when I use the clear brow gel only without this, it did not give me the same effect, like feathery bushy brow. So there's something about this, I think this brow gel that works really well with the clear brow gel. So I'm gonna show you guys. So let me apply this one a little bit. So 4 shades for $23. I mean, you can buy something like this at the drugstore, to be honest. So this is the same as packaging as the brow pencil. So this is a micro precision tinted brow gel. And here is the one, very tiny long one. And then then I'm gonna brush this up. As you can see, guys, I'm not really into these type of products, the tinted brow gels. They just never really work on me. And you know, I love laminated brows. I love bushy brows because they just make my, you know, they give me an instant botox without doing actually botox. You know, as you can see, guys, really messy, and I'm sure, hope that you could see. So it's it lifts up my hair, brow hairs, and this is not bad, but not something like, you know, extraordinary. Oh, actually, yeah, not something ordinary. So it's really great for like filling the bald spots. So yeah, this is the second step, and it's really messy right now. And there you go. And my brow hairs are really looking really, you know, like they have a little bit more hairs. Next one is their clear brow gel. So this is where the magic happens. This has got to be my favorite one. So if you do not like, let me show you guys, the ABH brow freeze, because it feels really crusty and it's really thick and crusty. It makes you, I mean, you don't like the crusty feeling on your face. This is the best one, guys. I mean, if I were to choose, I think I like this one better because it's really thin. It's a thin, like almost like water gel formula that doesn't feel crunchy on the brows. I don't really mind crunchy brows, to be honest, you know. But if you do not like the crunchy feeling on your brows, this has got to be my favorite one, and it lasts way longer, at least on my brows, than the ABH brow freeze. So this one retails for $23. So it's a long-lasting 24-hour clear brow gel that conditions and set brows all day with an invisible finish. That is true, guys. This is even better than the brow freeze, to be honest. And I've been, like I mentioned, I've been trying all of these 3 products. This has got to be my favorite one. So this is a new product, eyebrow product from Charlotte Tilbury, and I love bushy brows so much. So this is the packaging again, and the one is also really nice, guys. I mean, there's something about this, just like, you know, it's like a look at this one, like a boosting serum for the brows. So I'm really I'm here for this product, and I'm gonna show you guys right now. My nose very itchy. So I'm just gonna brush up my brows with this. And also, guys, I was gonna update about the foundation, KVD foundation. Let's talk about the KVD foundation. I was gonna try it again, but when I took it off, remove the foundation, I noticed like bumps on my forehead right here. As you can see, guys, like really bumps, tiny bumps. Is how, you know, I know that the foundation is gonna break me out, and on my chin area right there. So I decided to return it to my local Ulta. I mean, it just did not work on me, guys. I really wanted to like the foundation, but it wasn't for me. It was too cakey and it broke me out. So right now I'm dealing with whiteheads on my forehead, on my chin area. So anyway, so here you go, guys. This is how the brow product looks like, and then you can actually do like this. That's it. But I like to stick my brows, I like my brow hairs to I stick to my skin. I'm gonna use this. I mean, let me apply a little bit more, and with this one is very thin, almost like water. I'm gonna push it up. So this is the brush from Patrick Da, because I love my laminated brows. And as you can see, guys, oh my goodness, I look like I have a lot of hairs. I mean, I do not have, actually, I have really thin brows. But like I mentioned, there's something about this that works together with the clear brow gel. So you do not have to kind of play around with the products. This is a type of system that I feel like, you know, you cannot break. So this is a lot of work. This is way too much for me, to be honest. But if my brows are looking like, you know, we look like these, I mean, I'm here for the three-step system. So if the three-step system is too much for you, I do not recommend trying out these two. But anything, guys, clear about gel. This is the best, the best, the best. Okay, yeah, this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video. Bye bye.